Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO. Restored in its original colors, Signet gold metallic exterior paint with gold vinyl interior, and just a stunning car. This is one of the things I love about this GTO is so far about every time I went to start it, it's been just like that. So awesome car mechanically and just as nice cosmetically. Beautiful Signet gold paint. Very sharp engine compartment. Under the hood's correct GTO engine. It's a YS code 400, but it's no longer stock. Definitely has some performance upgrades, upgraded intake, headers. Runs and drives fantastic. Power steering and power brakes with front disc. Hood opens and closes great. Front bumper, grille, headlight bezels are all like brand new. Chrome bumpers got a fantastic shine. Don't see really anything for marks or wear in it. The grille's excellent. Headlight bezels are great. Even the paint all the way across this front nose and front of the hood is fantastic. Then the big thing too, looking up and down the sides of this GTO is laser straight. Paint's got an excellent finish. And there's a difference between a car that's got paint that doesn't have any chips in it and, you know, show quality or really nice paint. This is really nice paint. Not only does it not have much for marks, but you can tell when they did the paint, excellent quality. Everything was laid evenly. Smooth finish. Hood fits fantastic here on the passenger side, lines up great with the fender and with the door. Even all your mirrors and chrome there is new. The iconic GTO chrome along the bottom has a great shine to it as well. And excellent gaps continue as we look how that door lines up with the quarter. Fits great. In this sail panel area here, always seems like a spot where you'll find some imperfections in the paint. I don't see anything on this one. This one looks excellent. Quarters are laser straight, just like glass. Back bumper looks good. That dual exhaust sounds excellent. Taillights and trunk chrome have a good shine. Paint in the door jambs was finished with the same standard as the exterior paint. Awesome shine. This car came factory Signet gold with the gold vinyl interior. It's just how it is today. The door panels look brand new. Somebody did put speakers in the door panels, but you know, it looks like when they did that, they did it on brand new door panels. Even your hardware here for the doors, window, crank, and a door handle look new as well. Seats are in good shape. New cord around it on the outside. You have a little bit of wear on the passenger seat. No rips or anything like that, but just a little wear from getting in and out. The seat cover's in good shape. Even the paint on the dash was done very nicely too. Glove box light even works. Things like that tell you a lot about a car. Here's your owner's manual. Wood grain is in good shape. They did install a Mallory tack here in the dash. And with that tack, it's kind of neat too. You can set your shift points right from changing these dials. You can also set your rev limiter from adjusting the top dial. So kind of a neat performance tack they added. Center console is in good shape with nice wood grain. It's got the his and hers dual gate shifter. A couple auxiliary gauges here. We have temp gauge, oil pressure, and then an amp gauge as well. Gas gauge in the dash works. Headliner's very nice and tight. The dome light works. The backs of the seats look good, and even the console light works. So that tells you that the owner that had this before was just kind of meticulous about things. So often people let little things like the glove box light and console light, you know, go unrepaired. This guy was paid attention to the details and was meticulous with the way he kept and restored his GTO, and it shows. Back bumper, again, looks new. Driver's side, just as straight as the passenger side. All buffed and to a mirror finish. Driver's side quarter looks good. The door fits well. One small little chip right there on the edge of the door. Other than that, just a beautiful car. Driver's side door jamb paint, just as nice as the passenger side. Even the tops of these door panels, this hard painted piece here, they did a nice job with, no fade on that. Driver's side door panel's awesome. Done very nice. Now this is the original steering wheel. Still in good shape. You can see just some wear on these pieces here. And you can't really get these aftermarket. You can get a couple other versions of this. You can get kind of a wood grain, but you can't get these Pontiac wheels aftermarket. For some reason they don't remanufacture them. Dash pad looks good. Doors open and close just as they should. We'll fire it up and take it down the road, let you see how it runs and drives, but so far very impressed with the GTO. We pulled it out of the showroom here. We'll go through some things. The horn works, the Mallory Tachometer works, speedometer also is functioning, and the gas gauge works. We got it filled up to just under a full tank of gas. Temp gauge, we'll watch as that comes up here on our drive. Oil pressure gauge works, still cold and just at an idle and you're at over 50 pounds. When you rev it up, it goes much over that. Amp gauge works. The heater fan works. And it's got an old Panasonic radio. That's before my time. Let's see, and I know when I drove it the first time it did work, but I think the screen's hard to see in the sunlight. Pretty confident the old Panasonic radio works, at least it did earlier. There we go, now it's turning on. But I just don't know how to operate an old Panasonic radio. All right. So we just got her in drive here on the Hurst side of the shifter. Nice smooth riding car. Suspension feels good going over these bumps here up towards the stop sign. Brakes are nice. You have a really nice full pedal. They stop nice and straight. Turn signal indicators work in the dash. Power steering works well. No power steering whine. Nice shift. Front end is really nice and tight. Goes down the road awesome. I always love the 66, 67 GTO. They're just a comfortable car. Always have good performance. Handles excellent. No rattles or shakes. Windows seal up really well even on a cold and windy day here. I realized we didn't check our wipers yet, so let's test those out. Wipers work also. So everything works, goes down the road great. Kick down works, puts you right back in the seat, upshifts to third. And there's those power disc brakes. Great stop. Speedometer has a little jump to it, and I'm sure what that probably is I had it sitting outside for about an hour while I did a couple other pictures, so sitting out in the cold. And with as cold as it is here today, sometimes we've been having, you know, that cable gets cold. I'm sure once I get it back in the showroom and heat it up, that speedometer will work just fine, because it did the other day, but it does work, just has a little jump right now. Kick down, really, really fun car. Someone's gonna be very happy with it. Check it out in more detail on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next test drive.